My video guide will provide you with recommendations on how to effectively remove the ransomware called EWDF. By the way, EWDF is the ransomware that attacks Windows computers only, and this ransomware is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. I will show you how it actually works and what it does with the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without any complications. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and other data. Regretfully, this EWDF ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then you will notice that you are no longer able to use your files because the ransomware has encrypted the files and you are no longer able to open them. Most of the people restart the computer or turn it on someday, and then they realize that something bad has happened and that all their files have been encrypted by this EWDF ransomware, which is the part of the DJVU ransomware family. And now you clearly see the consequences of the ransomware attack. Whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the EWDF extension. The ransomware encrypts these files, and as you can clearly see, it is not possible to open the files anymore. First thing we recommend you to do is to check the task manager, and if you find any suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them and end their task. This will help you to stop the further file encryption. The ransomware EWDF tells its victims to pay the ransom for the file recovery. The ransom amount is $980 American, but paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this official page, combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the application, and then start carefully researching and investigating your computer. The program should first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is crucial for proper malware detection. The program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan. Then wait until the anti-malware database is successfully updated, and then the program will begin scanning, investigating, and researching your computer. So now you can clearly see that the scanning has begun. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to some features in Combo Cleaner. For instance, there is a great feature called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add certain folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Then at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of all the threats which were found, and then you'll be able to know the information about the names of these threats, their locations on the system. We strongly advise that you upgrade to Premium to delete all of them altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data always protected in the future.